Hello, welcome to my Son de Front. Today we're opening packages and let's see what's in them. So the first one I have this little package. And in it I have another wig. I'm sorry. This one's blonde and it's by this wig. This wig is by Amore Mio, and it says you can use a curling iron on it, and it's blonde. This is AEW Cora 613 by Amore Mio, and it's very pretty. I'm not gonna take it out because it looks really nice, but I do want to see the top of it, and the top looks really cool. It doesn't look like a cheap wig. I bought a lot of, and this is what I bought. I bought bangle bracelets. I bought these for my mom. See how they have the star and like little wires. They're really cute. Just simple and plain. And I don't know. I was hoping with like that. So I'm gonna put this up and keep going. Okay, and these are a bracelet, I think. Let's see them. So this is them. They're pretty cute. This is the back. They look really comfy. Get one open. So this is what it looks like. It's really soft. It's like butter soft. And it's like really nice. It looks like those shapewear. So this is really comfy. And I bought it like so I can wear t-shirts and just regular clothes. I like it. I give these a 10 out of 10 because I bought 3 of them and they were like really inexpensive. So I got this giant Gillette shaving cream for like under $5. This was like 3 something. And this is Raid. This is flying insect spray, and it was like under $7. So this was a good deal. And I think this is really important, guys. If you guys don't use this and you have insects, this is really important, because like I know like most of the animals that crawl or whatever, some of them, like ants and roaches, fly, and some of them, you know, like they do repel to like, it's effective enough that it will repel and it will kill on contact, but this is targeting specifically the ones that fly, so they specifically will address that issue. And I think when you have that specific type of pest problem, like you want to target it and address it as you know, in and of itself, because the spray is specific to those kinds of animals, of pests. So I think even like if you have ants and roaches and you spray this and you use regular, you know, how you use your regular pest control, how they do service regularly, and use this will help keep the flying insects and the insects that have the capability of flying away, even more so, because like I said, this is extra precaution in my opinion. And also, like I said, this specifically targets the flying ones. So if you have bees or anything like that coming in and you just spray them with the regular one, it's not as effective as this one. And this one, you know, just like the regular one, can target anything with wing. Okay, and then I got this handheld mirror and some Caress. So this is in the scent Peach and Orange Blossom. I like this one. It leaves your skin real clean, and it says it's moisturizing and it leaves your skin silky soft. So hopefully that works, because nobody likes to be ashy. And you know, I really think that we can all, you know, we can all look for things that can improve our lives a little bit more. So this is the handheld mirror. This is the back of it. And it's like, you can see it's just plastic. It's kind of like similar to the one that I already have. So I'm not really, what do you say? It's not really good quality, but I mean, it's good for what it does, and it's good for the price point, which is around $6. You can find those for around $6, $7, sometimes on sale for $5. So that's why I got it. And so yeah, I think I did a good job. The caress was under, like, it was around $6. The finance spray was around the same. I think the broads were around $5. And the wig, I cannot remember how much I paid for it, but I'm pretty sure it was like $12. Yeah, so I think I did a good job. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked my haul. If you did, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My Sunday front. Bye bye.